We are blessed to live in a time where anyone with just a little bit of gumption can start making money online without any specific skills or experience. Hey, it's Leah Ray from ToddandLeahRay.com, and I'm going to teach you just a little trick that you can use to create some significant cash from Flippa.com by just doing a little bit of research and not actually having to run any sort of website or real business. But if you're looking for a more passive income source, you definitely want to check out the top recommendation for making money online. Click the link at the top of the description to check it out. So are you familiar with Flippa? If not, no worries. It's a website that allows people to buy and sell online assets like Shopify stores, websites, social media accounts, and what we'll be specifically talking about today, domains. Now this is pretty cool. You can purchase a domain from a GoDaddy auction and immediately sell it on Flippa and make some decent cash. Now some folks make hundreds or even thousands per transaction, but in order to be profitable, you want to be smart about this. You actually want to study what's happening on Flippa, what's selling right now on Flippa before you head over to the GoDaddy auctions and make a purchase so that you can kind of stack the deck in your favor, making a wise purchase that's actually going to sell at a profit. So let me show you a little bit about how this is done. Let's head to Flippa.com, then just select the domains button on the main page and then see all domains button. Now you're able to search their database for domains, including ones that have sold. This gives you the ability to see what types of domains are selling and for what kind of price. You just click the checkbox in the search for sold, and you can limit it to a time frame to just the last 6 months or so. Now, once you get a feel for what is selling and for about how much, head over to the GoDaddy auctions and look for a deal. Be patient and look for a domain that you think will sell and that you can make a good profit margin on. Now, while this won't make you rich overnight, it's a nice little side project that doesn't require any previous experience or any certain skill of any sort, and it can just add some nice cash to your wallet. Easy peasy, huh? Now, please know that we are rooting for you. We are here to help you create the time freedom that you and your family deserve. So if you're new to the channel, you're gonna have to subscribe so that we can help you do that. Make sure to say hi so we can welcome you to the community. Again, this is Leah Ray from ToddandLeahRay.com. Head over to the next video up here, and I'll see you soon.